Well, so I'm sat on my motorbike. I'm at La Vie. I'm just showing off my motorbike because it's named after me, Isabel. Did you see that? Can you see that? Pink and Isabel. This was given to me as a gift. It arrived in a huge box from Jackson Red Star, and when I opened it, I was like, I'm just like, I'm still stunned. I've actually had it now for 2 weeks, and I did film a video of it, and then I chose not to do it at the time because I wasn't happy with it. And then I've just been spending time riding around on it, and I ride around my garden on it. I know it sounds silly. I was actually riding around here earlier on, and I kept running over people. Yeah, I don't drive in real life, and so I think that's an indication of what I am like in the virtual world. So I really need to start taking some lessons in how to ride this big bad boy. But yeah, I mean, it's amazing. It's got like turbo, it's got smoke, it's got sound and poses, it's got all sorts of things. And the best bit, I can take passengers. So if anyone wants to go for a ride one day, you can hop on the back. I know, great. I'm looking forward to Maddie coming on at the same time, because I really need to take her for a ride on this, because I mean, I think she'll look ever so cute on the back with a little helmet on as we ride around. And then I was thinking I might pop Rosie on the handlebars and see how we go. I don't know if it'll work, but why not? Oh, it's just so much fun. I just can't tell you how much fun it is. It's just brought a different thing to my virtual world. I can go as Harriet would say, I'm a biker chick. I am a biker chick. Yeah, don't let the pretty pearls and the lovely pink fool you. I'm hard as nails here, sitting here on this bike. I am it. Yeah. And not really. But I do love it, and I just wanted to show you just a meaningless video about nothing but showing you my motorbike, actually. And also I'm demonstrating the fact that I'm finally learning how to do DOF settings within Second Life. I haven't shown people a lot of that in my videos because I couldn't be bothered, and sometimes when it's really laggy and stuff, I can't, because it sort of distorts a little bit for me. But I'm just like showing you that how the DOF works for me, and I'm like really super excited that it is working. So you never know, I might use it more. But I do have a thing that I like sharp. It's one of my habits, the sharp look. Not everyone likes sharp, they like soft, and so I thought I'd soften it up behind me. Yeah. It's a beautiful scene here, actually. So I kind of blurred it up, but yeah, I do like how this looks. Yeah, I might do this more often. Anyhow, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to show you my motorbike. This video is about nothing really, other than my motorbike. Anyhow, I'm going to chillax here, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.